Omukugamba kwa President Museveni obwatayireho muore kogu yashabe ekitongoro kya Uganda Revenue Authority eibara kutaha abanyamyoga abaho mu Uganda kibahwera okuhangahangaho omu bya science na technology.
Who is taxing innovations? He should go to Zira. Who is it? Why tax innovations? There's no logic, because even when a product is not a result of innovation, we give tax holiday for 10 years.
Omukoro ogu gwaikoho Minister w'ebyempiha Matia Kasaija, Minister w'ebya Science na Technology Dr. Monica Musenero hamwe na President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni owashendekerezebwa omukazi we Mama Janet. Dr. Monica Musenero yayoreka President Museveni okurabira mu government ekyetengo cyo kuhagira okuhangahangaho mu bya science na technology okwera abanya-Uganda okutunguura omwogogu hamwe no kuhangahangaho emirimo mu ihanga.
We have put in place structures, systems, processes, mechanisms to develop human capital, which has an aligned culture that delivers science-led socio-economic transformation within the shortest time possible.
President Museveni yasima emirimo y'abasayansa abariyo nibahangahangaho ebintu bitari bimwe na bimwe kandi yaraganisa ku government eri kuza kuhagira emyoga egi na shilingi billion 500 okutunguura omutindo gw'ebya science na technology omu ihanga.
This 500 billion you are talking about is not a lot of money. We can put it. You just, instead of mourning and crying and so on, bring the proposal. We shall put the money we have been putting. Yes, we have been putting it project by project. As Honorable Kasaija says, some people interfere with it, but we can stop them. So therefore, we don't have a problem of this minimum funding.
Omwore kogu nugwija kumara esabiti yona omu kishayi Kororo omuri Kampala. Gasha kwa Jamba Tadeo.